Hi, how are you? It's me Zahid Khan from Epsol.com. Yesterday we learned about the sales inquiry, how we input the sales inquiry in our fleet management system. Today we will learn rental requisition, like if a sales inquiry have additional detail, how he can input the rental requisition. For that one, we will open the sales inquiry. This one we put it yesterday, so we'll open that one. We will create a requisition. Is saying that this customer is not matching with our company, and do you want to create a new company? For example, if this customer have some kind of matching stuff, so it will be give us the our customer which are already in the system, so we can select those customers. So let's say this is the customer, we will select this one. Automatically it will be fetch all the information from the system. Here in the equipment requirement, our sales team, he can put the details here. For example, if they required a forklift, he can just type forklift 5 ton. Then we have a standards, like what kind of standard he is looking for. Standard Aramco, Sabic, TUV, third party, and these ones. So let's say this is for the Aramco, and in this contract, is it food is include, accommodation or transport is include. So when you are creating a quotation, you will have all the information related to this one. Let's say crane, so is he will just put the 50 ton. Then he will just put the, like, it should be Aramco standard, and the food, accommodation and transport should be included. Next, he can add equipment, what you call accessories. Like for example, in the forklift, he required GPS tracker or cams as well, so he can just write down the uh, accessories. For the crane, he can just type the GPS tracker, so he can input all the details here. Next, he can add the documents here, like what kind of documents that your customer is requiring. So you can have a list of the documents. You can select this document is required to send along with the quotation. So he will just create this one and click on the ready. When this is ready for the quotation, he will just click on the ready for the quotation button. So in the over next video, we will see how we will create the quotation.